Didi, are you sad?
Fine.
Holy, what is she doing here?
Be a fucking man and talk to me.
Nobody
likes you.
Why you gotta do me like that?
Oh, he's in it now.
In what?
Seemed like you might want a chance of being somebody else.
Whoa. Who is that?
If you want to be a part of this, why not be the hero?
What's up, girlie?
Jill.
Jill. 闭嘴。Hey.
You are so busted.
What the fuck is going on here?
I don't know what's going on, but weird things are starting to happen.
Max 啊，保持4.0的 GPA。哦，Chris 拍 video。
What do you want from this job?
Be ready to switch it up. Smile. This is serious.
Is something distracting you?
I'm a man, and I'm relentless.
I am a man, and I'm relentless. I'm a man! I am a man, and I'm relentless! I am a man, and I'm relentless!
Are you? We're close!
Many of us live our lives repressing our emotions because out there they can be a liability. But in here, we can put those into good use.
Are you ashamed of me?
I am so proud.
I know what I have to do.
Can I get a chee-hoo?
What exactly did you tell them?
Weirdo, oddball, certified freak 7 days a week.
Sometimes it's a little hard.
I thought you said the job was easy.
Why am I like this?
Well, you did tell them, right?